What's up guys, today we're in a new video and we're playing Animal Levels, so let's get into it. Alright, so we're just gonna join the Random Public. We're gonna 1v and we're gonna 2v2 or 1v1 some people. Let's get into it. Alright, yo. Alright, no if you're here. Sorry you guys can keep on hearing stuff because it's my fan. Oh shit.
Nah, just I don't want to lose my street chat.
Guys, we're doing the 7v7!
7v7.
We are not doing the 7v7 though. I'm not sure what you're on.
Oh my god. Oh, hello everyone. We're gonna do
Oh my god. Wait, what you guys want to do?
we're doing the forest map. Bro, who left? My gang, who left? Who left? You're judging you're judging his level is crazy.
Hold on, let me pause my music. What'd you say, Julie?
Mine's on 9%.
9.
None. Nothing.
You just get it for
She already
free.
bought it.
Guys, hop on.
Oh, good
Yo,
enough.
Oh, he hop on my team.
Okay,
Okay.
Alright, we have to lock him. Oh, we'll turn off my phone.
Do this one.
It's this big area.
Yeah.
No, yo, teammate, do it's on your ring.
He might be on an
Hell
alt account.
nah.
Hell yes.
Yeah, he's on an alt account.
My teammate,
Match
can you
starting.
talk? Teammate, can you talk?
Yeah.
Alright, you can talk, alright.
Round starting.
27?
You will not run because I'm fully
Alright. Damn, I just used this, alright?
Round starting.
$26 on him? Oh. That's okay. That's okay, teammate.
Don't rush, bro. You're gonna get yourself killed if you rush.
Oh, okay. Alright. So,
Round starting.
So you trampoline, what do we do?
Round starting.
I'm gonna use trampoline, I don't care. I'm gonna use trampoline.
Round starting.
Damn it, you got him on.
Oh shit. No, I got him.
Teammate, come.
Round starting.
Nice.
JJ.
GG.
GG, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Alright, we lost that. But it's okay, cause we're good. We're doing some matches. We're gonna do 2 on them. I don't want the video to be too long. So yeah.
I'm gonna tell you about no, shut up. That was not me. Okay, no, give me a bundle. It wasn't me. Guys, give me a bundle. No, fuck you. It wasn't me. No, that wasn't me. I did not do that.
Oh
No,
no,
I did not do that.
oh my god.
That's my
Let's go.
Come on, give me my match.
That's my wiggly
Give me my match, bro.
Wait, what'd you say?
I might be gone. I gotta just fucking right back. Or
Oh, okay, yep, it's me and him. Oh, never mind. It's a different
What are
person.
you doing here? Okay, can I choose backwards? Or the way backwards?
Just pick whatever you want.
Wait, is this a kitty? Is this a kitty? Is it a dog? These two kitties.
Alright, yo, what was that about?
Match starting.
Oh yeah, it is a dog. What the hell? I don't know. Okay, I don't know that was a dog.
Round starting.
I got that.
Hey, don't shoot me! Don't shoot me! Bro, what did I just tell you? Don't shoot me.
Bro, come on, just 1v1, bro. What are you saying, bro? You just said, no, don't shoot me.
Round starting.
Come on, 1v1, bro. Oh, crap. What happened? Bro, yo, bro.
Wait, can you meet me in the next game? Meet me in the next game.
I'm not even gonna see you, bro. What?
Round
You
starting.
just left. Oh my god. Go to League. What else? What else? I am RE for. Oh my gosh, bro. Because this kid didn't move. Come on. Alright, that's one match. You good?
And it says 1 second, and then I just rushed to the exit.
I'm already next to the pirate island.
Epstein!
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm going through.
I'm not.
Come on. Come on, put me in a match. You want me to put me in a match? Oh
There's
no.
no skill, and there's that loadout, bro. Oh my.
Oh,
Can
hi.
I tell you what I just played me? Auto shotgun or PG.
I'm not gonna use shotgun.
Thank you.
I don't use shotgun. I actually pray correctly and I don't use shotgun.
Match starting.
I'm gonna need this or this can go. That one's right there.
Round starting.
Come on, go rifle. Rifle, go. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Yo, this is why I don't like this map. Again, where are you? Bro, where are you, son? Where are you? I'm right there, from right there. Oh my gosh, bro. I don't know, where were you? I genuinely didn't know. I genuinely didn't know. Where are you?
Round starting.
Like, son, ring, son. Oh crap, son. Oh my gosh,
Why are we using it?
I was 36. I was 36, by the way. I was 36.
Round starting.
Alright, let's go. Come on. What am I doing? Okay.
Where even are you? Where even are you?
No, I was right there, bro.
Don't use AK.
This, bro, like this map is so rotten, bro.
You want to be annoying? We can be annoying.
Round starting.
Bro, shut up.
What the freak?
Yeah, you're sticking me. You're stuck in there. No, you're stuck. You're stuck.
What the freak? I'm finished twice.
You're stuck, bro. What are you saying? What the? Bro, you were stuck. I don't know why I'm saying, what the freak? Like, bro,
Round
you were
starting.
stuck. You're saying, what the freak? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, you're lucky. You're so lucky, bro. Again, you're so lucky. Son, you're lucky. Like, I'm actually about to crash out, son. Oh my gosh, son. No, bro, like, you're so lucky. Yo, bro. Bro, like, I'm about to skin this kid alive, bro. Yo, you're
Starting.
You're lucky, gang. You were lucky. You're so lucky. You're so lucky. You're so lucky. Yep, and you're lucky. You're such fucking lucky. You're so... Yeah, you're lucky. You're just lucky.
You barely even hit me. You hit me for 56.
Gang, this is your map, and you're saying... I'm gonna crash out.
Round starting.
You're fucking ass. I'm the one. You're fucking ass. Watch him. Yo, fucking hurry up! Hurry up! You're shooting me! Gang, where are you shooting me from, son? Son, where are you shooting me? Son, where are you shooting me from?
I went for melee.
Bro, where are you shooting me from? I really didn't know. I'm sorry. I need to play for...
Round starting.
Bears. 4 on it. Alright, GG's, bro.
You're
GG's.
so no skill. I generally hate.
No, it's not, bro. Like, what? Let's go for 1. Alright, but guys, that is the end of the video. Like and subscribe to the video. That is it. What am I hearing? What's in my ears? Alright, but no.